Top 10 Car Wash in Edmonton. 1. Ams 10 Bay Car Wash, 4.6, 482 reviews, 69, Avenue NW. 2. Clean Getaway Car Wash, 97 St. North, 4.6, 437 reviews, 97 St. NW. 3. Clean Car Wash, 4.4, 1028 reviews, Allan Dr SW. 4. Corner Car Wash, 4.4, 417 reviews, 142 St. NW. 5. Ultra Car Wash, 4.4, 400 reviews, 167, Avenue NW. 6. Mint Smartwash, 4.3, 1423 reviews, Tamarack Way NW. 7. Duggan Car Wash, 4.3, 496 reviews, 106th Street. 8. Millwoods Car Wash and Detailing, 4.3, 460 reviews, 82 St. NW. 9. Hotshot Touchless Auto Wash, 4.3, 283 reviews, 103. 10. Fort Road Car Wash, 4.2, 348 reviews, 62 St. NW.